Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Artificial intelligence is often described as a software revolution, but behind every AI chatbot, image generator, autonomous vehicle, and powerful new AI model is a physical reality that could reshape America's economy: electricity. The United States is entering an unprecedented race to build AI data centers, and the stakes are enormous. Technology companies are investing tens of billions of dollars into massive facilities packed with thousands of advanced GPUs and specialized computing systems. These data centers are becoming the factories of the AI economy. But unlike traditional factories, they can consume extraordinary amounts of electricity around the clock. That creates a major challenge for America. Can the power grid keep up with the AI boom? For decades, U.S. electricity demand was relatively predictable. But the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence is changing that equation. As companies build increasingly powerful AI systems, they need more computing capacity, more servers, more cooling infrastructure, and ultimately, more electricity. This is why the battle for AI dominance is increasingly becoming a battle for power. Major technology companies are competing not only for the best AI chips and engineers, but also for access to locations with reliable electricity. Data center developers are looking toward regions where power generation, transmission infrastructure, land, and connectivity can support enormous new facilities. And this is where America's aging power infrastructure faces a difficult test. The U.S. power grid is a vast network that stretches across millions of miles. But expanding generation and transmission capacity can take years. Building new power plants, upgrading transmission lines, obtaining permits, and connecting massive data centers to the grid are complicated and expensive processes. The AI boom is therefore forcing America to reconsider its energy strategy. One of the biggest beneficiaries could be nuclear power. Nuclear plants can provide large amounts of reliable electricity around the clock, making them particularly attractive for data centers that cannot simply shut down when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Natural gas is also becoming an important part of the conversation because gas-fired power plants can provide dependable electricity and can often be built faster than some other large-scale generation projects. At the same time, renewable energy remains critical. Solar and wind power are expanding rapidly, while batteries and other energy storage technologies are becoming increasingly important for balancing the grid. The result is a fascinating new competition between big tech, utilities, energy companies, nuclear operators, renewable developers, and policymakers. And the consequences could extend far beyond Silicon Valley. If electricity demand rises dramatically, Americans could see increased pressure on local power infrastructure and potentially higher electricity costs in regions experiencing explosive data center growth. Communities will have to debate whether the economic benefits of new data centers, including jobs, tax revenue, and investment, justify the enormous demands they place on local energy systems. There is also a larger strategic issue. AI is becoming a national security and economic priority for the United States. The country that can build the most powerful AI systems may gain major advantages in technology, defense, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, and global competition. But AI leadership requires infrastructure. You cannot run the AI economy without electricity. That means America's future AI advantage may depend not just on better algorithms or faster chips, but on something much more fundamental: the ability to generate and deliver enormous quantities of reliable, affordable power. The $100 billion data center race is therefore more than a technology story. It is an American energy story. As AI continues to expand, the biggest question may no longer be simply who has the smartest AI. It may be who has enough electricity to power it. And the answer could fundamentally reshape America's energy landscape for decades to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.